So, universal law of gravitation. Now the first question is again the same, that why is this universal? Because it is valid, it is applicable anywhere in the universe. You are on earth, this is applicable. You go in outer space, this is applicable. You go on moon, Mars, anywhere, this law will be applicable. Now, what does this law state? This law states that whenever there are two objects, A and B, and let us say their masses are MA and MB, and the distance between their centers is D. Okay? There are two objects A and B with masses MA and MB. Distance between their centers D. So, Newton said that the force of attraction between these two masses, mass A and mass B, attract each other with a force F, which is directly proportional to the product of their masses. Okay? Now what do we mean by that it is directly proportional? That is, if the mass of one increases, force will increase. If the mass of other object increases, again force of gravitation will increase. If both increase, again it will increase. Right? So we note it down as equation 1. Then the second thing is that this force of gravitation is inversely proportional to the square of distance between their centers. Right? Force of gravitation between two objects is directly proportional to the product of the masses, inversely proportional to square of the distance. Now square of the distance, it means if the distance becomes half, force will become how much? 4 times. And if the distance becomes double, force will decrease 4 times. Okay, I will show you how. First we derive this. From equation 1 and 2, we get F is proportional to MA into MB upon B square. Okay? Now, if we have to remove this sign of proportionality, we have to introduce a constant. That constant is capital G, and it is called universal gravitational constant because its value remains same throughout the universe. Whether you are on earth, you are on moon, you are in outer space, its value will not vary. Okay? So, force of gravitation is equal to gravitational constant multiplied by the two masses divided by the square of the distance between two objects. Okay? And this question is very, very important question. Right?